Hello. Today we will show you how to configure custom ignition. Let's open our configuration tool, Device Center, and go to Advanced Mode. You can configure custom ignition on any of our devices. Let's select LC5 for an example. Custom ignition settings can be found on the main configurator screen in Data Collection section. You can have engine state as always on or select custom. When custom is selected, press on Customize. There you will find logic selection. And selection should be used in case you want multiple parameters to be true to detect that the engine is on. Or selection should be used in case you want that at least one selected parameter will be true to detect that the engine is on. We will configure custom ignition with OR logic. Our default input to detect ignition is DIN4, but you can use any of digital inputs. Just make sure that physical connection match your configuration settings. In addition, we will enable power supply voltage to detect ignition on when voltage will rise above 13,300 millivolts. Also, we'll select GPS speed to detect ignition on when speed will be more than 5 km per hour. So with this settings we will detect ignition state from one of 3 selected parameters. When digital input 4 will change its state from 0 to 1. When power supply voltage will be more than 13,300 millivolts. And speed will be more than 5 km per hour. To check ignition state you have to enable custom ignition parameter. To do that, go to I/O events options and press on Enable Common I/O button. There you will see all common parameters. Press Save. And custom ignition parameter will be enabled with needed settings. Now you are ready to upload configuration to device. Thank you for your attention.